What's good, family? Today we're taking an early look at a pair of Jordan 1s. Y'all probably already saw the title and thumbnail, so I don't want to waste too much time in getting into this pair. Just know that I haven't seen them in hand yet. From what I've seen online, they look pretty good, so I'm trying to see them in hand. Hopefully, Jordan didn't drop the ball with this one, even though there's a couple reasons why they already did. I'll get into that in a little bit. This pair could have easily been one of the best Jordan 1s we saw this year. Jordan brand is playing, bro. I don't know who is in charge of these choices over there. These could have been a certified banger for this summer. We got the Jordan 1 Lattes, 11.5 on the box. Y'all already know where I'm going with this. Drop the top on these, and there is actually a free gift, which we typically see for women's releases. Y'all already know where I'm going with the problem. We'll get into it, but these actually come with a coaster. I'm assuming for your coffee, it says "See You Latte" on it. It's almost like a thick ass piece of cardboard. Let's see what we got though. Never mind, they wrapped up. Let's take them out the wrapping. Mind you, I haven't seen these yet in hand, so y'all are gonna get my actual reaction to these. Okay, listen, hear me out. Jordan brand is tweaking, bro. This could have been the sneaker of the summer from Jordan brand, only if they would have made this a full family size run. I really don't understand what Jordan brand is doing over there. This is a full family shoe, bro. How y'all gonna give us the mochas for everybody, but not these right here? I just really don't understand it. You pretty much got the same shit as the mochas with a little bit of milk added to the coffee. In my opinion, these are kind of better than the mochas because they upgraded this part right here. If y'all remember, the mochas had all white around the collar and here. I think it looks so much cleaner with the black around the collar. Let me know if y'all agree in the comments, but off of first impressions, this is actually a clean ass Jordan 1, possibly Jordan 1 of the year non-collab. Materials are crazy, buttery on this pair too. Y'all can see the tumbleness on the swoosh and everything, suede around the back. Best part is these are going for way under retail already. I low-key paid around retail to get them early with fast shipping. You could deadass buy them for like $150, which means that these might sit, bro. I love the yellowing on the midsole. I just love this shoe in general. Typically when I buy Jordan 1s or sneakers, I never wear them until a year later, unless it's a shoe that I really love, like this one right here. I'm putting these on feet ASAP. 23 on the insole. If y'all are enjoying this video so far, make sure you get this one to 150 likes. It would definitely mean a lot, and it helps the channel spread to more people. While you're down there, subscribe. We're on roll to 30,000, and we're actually under 200 away from 26,000, so make sure y'all subscribe. If you do end up joining the family, comment that you're a new sub so I could welcome y'all the proper way. The Latte Jordan 1s drop May 29th, which is about a week and a half away at this point, 2 weeks almost, and it's gonna be another Jordan 1 that sits simply because they made it a women's exclusive. I could see this one selling out in the bigger sizes. Guys with the 10.5 and below are definitely gonna eat these up. I think it's a banger shoe. I love the predominantly black and white all around it with a little bit of tan, almost giving me that essentials vibe on this sneaker. These bring sail laces, which is probably what I'm gonna put for the purpose of the review, which is dropping soon. I'm gonna put 1 and 1 so y'all can see what it's looking like. Y'all are probably tired of me saying if these released a couple years ago, they would be doing way better, but it's just the truth, bro. Something about Jordan 1s just isn't resonating with people no more, and it doesn't matter if they throw a colorway like this on it. If it's not a Travis Scott collab, a trophy room, honestly, a Jordan 1 low, it's not gonna do good. It's a beautiful sneaker, beautiful time. If y'all could fit these, bro, definitely go out there and get them. Already below retail before the release, so y'all already know it's gonna be $120 shoe once the release date hits. Jordan brand needs to get their shit together. At the end of the day, if they want to get more sales, make this a full family shoe. Makes no sense. I understand for some of the other releases, more colorful, even the satin bread ones, those are more feminine than something like this right here, bro. It's just a light tan color. If y'all understand where I'm coming from, let me know in the comments. Despite the fact that this is a women's release, it doesn't take away away from the fact that it's a beautiful sneaker, and actually the quality on here is not bad at all. I love the tumbledness on that leather. You get the tumbledness on both sneakers, and it doesn't just stop on the swoosh. Toe box is actually hella tumbled as well. These actually feature satin on the inside. As y'all know, when I do my full review, I'm gonna break the whole sneaker down, throwing them on feet and all that, so make sure you stick around for that video. These are clean though. We had the yellow ochres this year. Black and white joints was ass in retrospect. Green glows, and none of them top these right here. All that to say that it's a beautiful Jordan 1. If you guys are actually interested in these and you could fit them, I wouldn't hold back on this pair. It's extremely wearable, literally with anything. I do kind of wish that they would have kept the outsole in black. Maybe that would have made these a little more aggressive. The mochas had it in black, but I don't think it's big enough of a difference for it to matter, bro. These are just really solid. Price is even better. If y'all are gonna be copping these up, let me know in the comments, what would y'all rate these as well? Can't really give y'all a rating yet because I haven't had them for too long. I literally just pulled them out the box. I gotta see what they look like laced up, what they look like on feet. For me, all I can say is this is one of those shoes that I will be keeping in the collection. I didn't pay nothing too crazy, so it makes sense for me to keep them. If y'all are gonna be going for these, don't pay retail. Literally just get them for below retail, which isn't a problem. I actually bought these straight off GOAT for around retail, which is $180, about 2 to 3 weeks prior to the release. Right now you could probably get them for $150 shipped on GOAT. So if this is a shoe that you guys are trying to pick up, just be a little bit more patient than something like the J Balvin's or the Travis's. This pair right here is gonna sit mandatory, bro. I see no reason why this would sell out. Maybe in the bigger sizes. I don't want to tell y'all not to get them. It doesn't make sense at the end of the day, because if you're gonna buy them from Sneakers app for retail when you could save money, make it make sense for me in the comments. But fire colorway, fire sneaker. We're gonna do the full breakdown on these real soon. If y'all enjoyed this video, I know it's a quick one, but I just wanted to show y'all my initial reaction, the first look for the Jordan 1 High Lattes. Women's exclusive. Jordan Brand did it again. I apologize for all the Bigfoot gang out there. Hopefully we get some more heat on the way. We got J Balvin's, we got some other shit too, bro. We need some men exclusives. Fuck what y'all talking about. Jordan 1 Lattes have officially entered the chat. Let me know if y'all gonna be copping these. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it a below retail cop? All that in the comments. I appreciate y'all if you made it this far into the video. If you did and you haven't dropped a like yet, bro, what are you doing? Let's get this one to over 150 likes. Subscribe to the channel. We're this close to 26,000, which is another inch closer to 30K. I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving me. All that being said, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, the Jordan 1 Lattes first look is officially concluded. Check out one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. So, hey, they know you better than I know you. So click one of those two videos and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.